All right, I'm Kyle Ruddy. I am a senior technical marketing engineer for VMware, and right now I'm going to be introducing hopefully something that's not new to you, but if not, this is the PowerCLI Community Repository. Standard disclaimer slide. I've given an overview to this very many times this week, so let's dive right in. So here we have an image of our community repository that's out there on GitHub. This is at github.com, VMware, and then PowerCLI-example-scripts. Now what this is this something that is open to the community. Anybody can go out there, they can find resources, they can download them, they can run them in their own environments. And really the goal is then, once you're doing that, you then start contributing back. So as of right now, we have almost 300 different commits. We've got, wow, 12 pull requests right now, so I'm apparently slacking on getting those approved. But we have, let's see, there's over 100 scripts. I believe there's 15 to 20 different modules that are out there. Anything from doing or handling vSphere encryption with some of the new stuff that was introduced in vSphere 6.5, to some of the more high-level advanced functions for Horizon View, which, if you have any familiarity with the Horizon View module for PowerCLI, you know that it's just the connect and disconnect. Everything goes through the API. One of the modules that are out here helps you get to the point where you're just doing Git for your desktop. So it's a really fantastic resource from that aspect too. But we have other things that are out there, like we've got the modules and scripts that I mentioned. I believe there's some Power Actions resources for the Power Actions Fling, as well as I believe there's some pester tests in there too, and hopefully at some point we'll get some DSC resources out there as well. Yep. So here's some of the example scripts that are out there. So one of the areas is the Home Lab script. Now this is what was used last year for the hackathon, where basically this resource, you can put it on a USB drive, put it into an Intel NUC, or as Alan Renouf and William Lamb found out during the Australian VMUG, they could put it into a Supermicro server as well, and it goes through the entire build process. So this script that's out there, it's available right now. You can build out your ESXi bare metal, you can deploy a VCSA, you can set up vSAN, and do a couple other things to really prepare an environment. There are some other things that are out there that community members have found helpful for themselves, and they've shared it with the community. So some of those are like get BIOS boot status, export and import scripts. That was the example that we used in the PowerCLI 201 session that happened yesterday. So that's where we actually sourced that from. And then I don't think I put the modules in here. But some of the other modules that are out there are, again, the security module to handle encryption. There's the Horizon View helper. There are, what was the other big one? Oh, I'm spacing on the name, and I don't think it's in the, it's not in the deck. I forgot it. So a lot of these resources are out there. They're available for download right now, which we can do by clicking on the clone or download button right there. You download a zip file, extract it, and you've got access to it immediately. And one of the really cool ways to get a t-shirt, either at VMworld or pretty much anywhere where the product manager Jake Robinson is at, make a contribution to the repo. Making a contribution, earn myself a shirt, earn several other people's shirts too. So giving back to the community is a fantastic thing. We've got a really great community for PowerCLI, so hopefully everybody's enjoying that and make some contributions back. With that, thank you guys.